back with another video. This video will be more so focused on wardrobe, clothes, things of that nature. So please be prepared to be wowed. So this video today is sponsored by Romwe. They sent me 2 items of clothing and I am going to try them on, let you guys know what I think about them, and also I'm going to have the link down below. And honey, trust me, you're going to be ready to click. Romwe have really good clothes for the low. And honestly, I'm gonna be real because that's what they sent it to me to be real. I thought that the clothes weren't going to come in my size. I thought it wasn't gonna look right because the price was just unbelievable. I'm just like, who y'all think y'all fooling with these prices? Honestly, they weren't fooling anyone, and it is such a relief. Here today to show you guys what I chose and what they sent me. Is really cute. These outfits are definitely my favorite outfits in my closet right now. Like, I can't wait to wear them, and that's crazy because when you guys click those links down below and see how much this stuff was, you're gonna be like, oh my god. I just highly recommend that you read the any items that you purchase on their website. Just go look at the reviews and, you know, see what people say. Some people let you know that it ran small, this ran big, and that actually helped me a lot when I was choosing the items for them to send to me, to be able to show you guys what I got, and everything fits so perfect. So let's get right onto it. So this is a bodysuit. It is so cute. I love it. It's like pants, as you can see, and it makes my butt look so big. I love how, like, the material is so perfect in. Who doesn't love a bodysuit that has pockets? Now, personally, put my rose gold heels with this outfit. Main focus is this leather skirt. Like, look how cute it is. It has zippers. It's really mini, which I love so much because I can wear my thigh-high boots with them. And it's also really tight feel. It's so hard to find a mini leather skirt. And I also pieced it with the Shein turtleneck. I also bought this bag on my own, and I love how it goes so perfectly. And actually, you can purchase this from Romwe as well. It also has a strap to it. This outfit is so bomb. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it.